Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix wrong battery percentage on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to check whether your battery percentage is showing correct or not, but if you have seen that it is not showing correct percentage and you want to fix that, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, you have to simply go to settings and you have to go to general. And after that, you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset. And you have to reset all of your network settings. Now you can go back and you have to simply, first of all, fully charge your iPhone. And after that, you have to check whether your battery percentage increases or decreases. So if it is showing good percentage and it is charging well, then you have to simply charge it to 100%, and after that you have to check whether it decreases with times or not. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings and you have to go to battery options here. And here you can simply get all of your usage in the settings. So if you see the usage is according to the use you are using, but if it is showing the wrong percentage, then you have to simply turn off this toggle, and after that you have to turn it on again, and you have to check whether any kind of battery percentage changes or not. Moreover, you have to simply make sure that you do not have turn on low power mode, because it also disturbs your battery percentage. Moreover, you can also check for your battery health and charging. So because if your battery health is below 80%, then there may be chances that your battery is need to replaced. So you have to simply replace your battery from the official Apple store, and after that you have to check whether your battery percentage is showing well or not. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.